Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you this Lego Technic useless box, although it is more like a rectangle. So let's get into today. Okay, so to start off, if you flip the switch this way to the box, turn on, and it'll push it up. Now, it doesn't actually turn it off all the way, but it does have the power to. If you put it back, it should fall back down. Put it back. Like that. That does happen sometimes, but I think it's sort of fun that way, though, too. Now, basically just works by, when it's on, when it's on, the motor is spinning, and this moves, so it pushes, so it allows this motor to turn these gears, unlike it didn't allow it before to. Now it turns these gears, and this gear, so that gear, and those gears over here, has this thing on the end of it, that can go up, and push it like that and turn off and fall back down just because of gravity and weight. Then these are here just to make the motor so it doesn't like fall over and just stabilize it, and these are here because I kind of wanted to like cover up the mechanical parts, so it looks like it's more like magic, but that didn't really happen. But then, so the point of this is basically either just like a fun thing to play with, or if someone like switches it, it'll surprise them and like turn it off then. But that's about it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next week.